Hello everyone, my name is Jenna Brown and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm super excited because tomorrow some friends and I are going camping slash hiking, backpacking for the weekend, and we are going up to Strathcona National Park. Strathcona Park is on Vancouver Island, which is off the west coast of Canada, and it's a beautiful park with tons of hikes all up in the mountains. There's a bunch of pretty glacier lakes to go to, so I'm super excited to do that. And today I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing for that trip. Even though we're only staying for 2 nights and 3 days, I'm still going to need all of the camping gear that you would need if you went on a west coast camping trip. You just need more food and maybe a couple more socks and underwear. I honestly love watching packing videos because it makes me so excited to go somewhere or figure out what I want to bring. So I thought that I would do this since I'm packing right now and going to be going on a trip. So the bag that I'm bringing is the Deuter. It's called the Air Contact 60 plus 10 liters, and I just got this bag yesterday. I'm super excited to try it out. I've been wanting to get a new hiking and backpacking bag for a long time, and then because my sister and I share our other one, and since we're going on this trip together, we aren't going to share this bag. So anyways, I thought this would be a good time to invest in a new bag. I also wanted to get a bag that would be good for this trip as well as backpacking South America or Australia or wherever I want to go in the future. Main seller for me was this middle compartment. It just opens up like a duffel bag, and I really wanted one with that because it's just so much easier to get to your stuff, and you don't need to go in from the top every time and take out all your stuff to get to something in the middle. So I'm so excited. You can pretty much access anything in this bag without taking things out, so I'm so stoked about that. I'd say let's start with the camping gear that I'm bringing. So my sleeping bag is just a mummy style sleeping bag. I already packed it up, put it in here. It's not that interesting. Then I have this Thermarest, what are these things called? Sleeping pad. Got this Thermarest sleeping pad, and so I'm going to put that right in the middle here. Got my stove and some propane, so the little stove and lighters in here, and as well as the propane's in the bottom. Shayla's bringing another can of propane in case we need it. But got that. And then pots and pans. So this is the same thing that we brought to Salt Spring Island, Emerson and I. And so this doubles as like a lid or a pan, and then we got a bowl, a mug, fork, knife thing, and then the handle for this. And so that will be good. Packing technique is you put your heaviest stuff right next to your back, and then you don't feel as off balance. You want all the heavy stuff as close to you as possible. Might be obvious to you, I don't know, but just thought I'd say that anyways. So then we got life straw and a headlamp. So this is like a water filter since we won't have water there. And then we also got bear spray since we're in the wilderness. Bear spray I'll pack somewhere that's easy access just in case. Sea to Summit Aeros pillow. So you just inflate it and it gets to be like this big. This is awesome. I've had this for 2 years. Great for camping, great for traveling. It's just great because it's so small and you just put air in it. I love shit like that. And then we got my pack towel. It's the body size. It's blue, and I've also had this for a year. I brought it with me everywhere in Europe, and it was the best thing ever because it's microfiber and it dries super quick and it packs up so small. Best thing. Now I'll do clothes. So I have these packing cubes that I'm going to use to compress all my clothes together, and then it's easier to find where your clothes are instead of them just like fumbling around in your bag. Pajamas. I got these light shorts and then just a t-shirt. And then for outer layers and coats and stuff, I have this fleecy quarter zip too. I'm assuming I'm gonna wear this at night when we're just like hanging out and it might be chillier because it's cozy. I really like it. I wear it underneath this, which is just an Arc'teryx synthetic down. It's really light and I love this jacket. So I'm gonna bring these two just for layers in case it gets cold, which I don't think it's gonna get that cold, but you never know. And then this is my waterproof, or my rain jacket. So in case it rains, this one's not very waterproof, so I'm gonna bring this. And I think I'll pack this since I definitely won't be wearing this right away. And then I have a pair of shorts. Probably gonna wear these though, so I'm gonna wear these shorts, probably this sports bra, a shirt. So this is a long sleeve Lululemon. They have silver in them, so if you sweat in it, it doesn't like smell. So I really like this fabric. So I'm gonna bring, this is long sleeve, this is short sleeve, and I wanna bring a t-shirt. I just haven't decided which one yet. So I will probably be wearing the t-shirt the first day. And then the best thing about these is so you fit it all in, you can zip it up, and then there's another zipper to like make it more compact. So I'm gonna try and zip this one up. So then it's nice and smaller. I love these things. My mom got these for me for Christmas one year, and they're great. So that's that. And then in the smaller one, I'm going to put all my, oh shit, my leggings. I'll just put these in here. These are the Lululemon Align pants. I was going to bring ones with mesh on them, but then thank God I remembered about mosquitoes and bugs. So they'll just bite you right through that, and they're so dumb to bring in the wilderness. So good thing I didn't bring those. And then I got 2 sports bras. Probably only need one, but we'll see. I have 5 pairs of underwear, and then I have 2 of these nice wool socks for hiking, and then a comfy soft pair for at night. Might need them. I always like extra socks, especially doing stuff like that, like this. Also a bathing suit because there's lakes there and we'll probably go swimming. But yeah, just shovel this in here. So I think this main section is like pretty packed, so you can see. So I'm gonna just shut this. Cool. This you can like zip across and pull, and it holds it all in, this thing. Also, I'm bringing my camera day bag. This is the best thing ever because it packs up to be super small. And if we're not going to be like hiking these big bags on the second day to go see the lakes, so I just want to bring this with my camera stuff in it. I will show you. It's got this like camera cube and it's inflatable. Since I'm bringing my camera, I might keep this inflated to put in here somewhere. But it's also got this like back support thing that's also inflatable, so it packs up to be super small, like this, and then it's still comfy to wear. And you can just zip this up, and there you go. So that's my day bag. These are my hiking boots. Oh god. They're Vasquez hiking shoes, and I also just got these recently, so I've been walking around in them a lot because I don't want to get blisters. Some extra like camera, battery, an ND filter. Then we just got food, so I'm bringing 4 things of oatmeal because we'll only be having breakfast 2 times, so 2 packets a day. I think that's good. Got some tea. Have these 4 Hornby bars, which are just like protein bars for lunches. Probably get some apples and stuff too. And then we got these dehydrated meals. Shayla and I got these to make because like we were gonna just make like craft dinner or something, but These you just need to boil water and then just pour it in, and it's like a full-on meal. Like we have herbed mushroom risotto, 2 servings, but when I went hiking before, I ate one of these to myself, so we'll see how it goes. We might end up sharing one. And then this one is pad thai, rice noodles with a wild American shrimp flavored sauce and peanuts. And these are good to go, or good to go brand. Doesn't seem like a lot of food, but if we have trail mix and apples as well as these bars for lunch, I think that should be okay. I always bring too much food and then I get pissed off because I'm tired and everything's heavy and like, why did I bring so much food? And then toiletries, I got my glasses, which like, I don't really need, but they're just nice. I got my contact stuff, deodorant, body glide, like anti-chafing, hair bands, contact solution, and toothbrush. So that's in here. I'm gonna probably bring these little shitty flip-flops just so I can not wear my hiking shoes around. And I'll put these in here. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this water bottle, a Yeti, nice big. Then I got my drone. This is all my extra stuff that I don't really need to bring, but I want to bring because it just makes the videos better. DJI Mavic Mini, so it's all in here in this case, so that's good. And then this mini tripod thing that I'm gonna try out. I was just thinking for like taking videos of us at the campsite and stuff, it might be nice to have a little tripod. Definitely not bringing that one. And my camera, which is on there, which has a 18 to 135 millimeter lens on it. And I'll probably bring my microphone. Okay, so this is the top section. I'm gonna put my drone in there and then kind of fill this stuff around it. The nice thing is about camping, you won't be bringing back all the food, so that's a good thing. This and my underwear and stuff. Toiletries, glasses, headlamp, flip-flops in here. That should be good. I can just like hook this with carabiners on my hip and I have easy access. I might be doing that. Okay, the rest of this stuff is gonna go in the pockets on the outside. So I'm gonna put this thing in down here. Probably put my phone down there, and the trail mix, water bottle, bear spray. Throw in here. Put down here. And then I think I'll just like take one of these, clip it through here, put my camera, attach it onto a clip here. Oh my god, it's so high. My camera in there. It'd work. Well, thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my pack with me for camping in the Pacific Northwest, and I hope that it gave you some ideas or inspired you to go camping yourself. And stay tuned for my video of us actually camping. Alright, bye guys.